Good afternoon and welcome to GN 311 News. I'm your host, Rambo. We have a breaking story tonight at the Off-White Mansion. I'm going to turn it over to my co-host to give more details on the story. According to Miss White, there were 4 people over at their house tonight. First we have Mr. Plum, Miss Scarlet, who is Mr. Mustard's mother, Miss Peacock, and Mr. Green. I have talked to the DNA specialist and he has found fingerprints on the candlestick. I'm going to look now more closely at our suspects and our victims' DNA. Looking now at the gel electrophoresis we have done, starting with locus A. The black is the evidence we have found, and I've taped it off to be able to see who might match up exactly. We're looking for them to match at both parts. So going off first with Mustard, he was our victim. He matches at one, but not the other. Peacock does not match at any of them. Scarlet we see, since she is the mother, she is going to share one of these with her son, but she does not match at both of them. Mr. Green, however, matches at both of them with the evidence, but so does Mr. Plum. They're both going to be in the running for locus A. Now looking at the same DNA sample we collected, just a different locus. We're looking still, we're trying to compare the black to our other victim and suspects. So first, if we start with Mustard, he shares one, but not the other, so he did not do this. If we look at Miss Peacock, she matches at the first and the second, but we remembered the last time she did not match at any of them. She is not guilty. We move on to Scarlet. Again, she's going to match with her son, at least at one of them, but she does not match with the evidence found. She is not guilty. We see again, Mr. Green is matched with the evidence in the first part and at the second part. So that's twice now he has matched perfectly. We go down to Mr. Plum. He does not match at any of them, but he was iffy in the first one because he did match at both of them in the evidence we found at locus A. So we know that Mr. Green is guilty because he matched at locus B and locus A perfectly with the evidence found. Okay, I just wanted to go over this a little more in detail. If we look at Mr. Mustard, we know he's the child of Miss Scarlet and some father figure. So he's going to receive one allele from his dad. I'm going to highlight that in green. And so he needs to get a second allele from his mother, going to highlight that in pink, so we can see visually now he's half his father and half of his mother. So on our gel electrophoresis, whenever we saw that they lined up, this is why he's getting one allele from mom and one allele from dad. And we are back with an update to our previous story. It has been concluded that Mr. Mustard was in fact killed by Mr. Green in the living room with the candlestick. And that was concluded by our lovely DNA forensic specialist, who compared the one DNA sample she collected from the scene with those of the suspects and the victim, and concluded that Mr. Green's DNA matched perfectly at both loci with the evidence indicating he is guilty of the crime. So Miss White will be mourning her loss, but the mystery was solved.